Hi, I'm Michael Gaffney, and today I'm talking about floral foam. Yes or no? There's a trend going on to avoid floral foam because it's not earth friendly. Here's what I think. Floral foam started in like the 70s. Before that, they actually used, a lot of people don't know this, cedar branches packed into containers to hold your flowers in place. This came out like early 70s. Much of your designing you cannot do without floral foam. It comes in instant, regular, colored foam. I only use the instant foam. There is now a variety that's come out about a year ago that they say is sustainable. How sustainable? I don't really know, but they're calling it sustainable because there's a backlash against using it by new designers. I think I'm going to continue using foam because it lets me place flowers exactly where I want it, create these beautiful pieces. The alternative is chicken wire. You see a lot of new designers, especially in LA where I work, molding chicken wire into pots. It does help hold your flowers in place. But to tell you the truth, a lot of chicken wire designs I don't think look quite a 10. They're in that 6 to 7 range on a 1 to 10 scale. So chicken wire doesn't give you the most artistic freedom you need. And also, I tell these students, I say the average person uses about 10 blocks of foam a year. There are other ways to save the planet than this, worrying about this. Buy one less car, buy 20 articles less clothing. So as much as I wish I didn't have to use anything like foam in my daily life, I do use it, I'll continue to use it. Chicken wire is good, it just doesn't give you quite the placement of flowers that you need. So, I'm Michael Gaffney. There are other sustainable things that I do practice in the flower business I'm going to talk about in other videos. So, foam on. I'm telling you to foam on. If you like what you see, just subscribe and down below, or go to Michael Gaffney Flowers at Instagram. There's a lot to see on my website, flowerschool101.com, and if you have any comments, I'm sure I'm going to get some about this. I know I'm going to get some. I'm Michael Gaffney saying foam away and keep blooming.